Mike with A&M here. So today I'm going to show you how to change the string on a weed whacker. So when you're out on the job and you run out of string, you don't know what to do, or you don't know the best way to do it, this is the way I would do it. First thing you want to do is measure out your string. Some people just take it and put it like an arm's length or their body's length and then double it up. For me, I don't like having too much string in there, so I've been doing it long enough. I kind of just guesstimate. I like it about 6 feet. So you just take a razor knife and you cut your string. Put your finger in here, pop this side off, then come over here, push in, pop it off. Now what we want to do is take our reel one side in at a time. So we got our one side in, find our other side. Now that we have that, there's actually a diagram on here that says how to do it. I want to make sure this is tight the entire time. So then after you got it going a little bit, you bring it over like that. Now you can see we have our string on there. So now you stick it in here, and at this point, move both of these to the outside like that. Now I just kind of keep my hand on here, and you want to twist that and throw this cap on. So now we have this, and at this point all you do is come right down the middle and you have a stringed weed whacker ready to go. And this is actually a self-stringing one, so that's why you want to make sure that's loose. So all you have to do is hit it on the ground and it'll keep putting string out. So that's just the way I do it. Like I said, you can individually wrap those if you want, but I mean, that only took probably 5 minutes, so not even that. So if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.